another vlog. So I think today is, let me see, today is the 22nd of December, so that means Christmas is in 3 days, guys. 3 days. But anyway, we're going to do a little bit of grocery shopping for Christmas, you know, just to have something. I don't know what I'm gonna cook. I don't know yet what I'm gonna cook, but we're going to do a little bit of grocery shopping, and then we're going to drive a little, and maybe I will show you guys a little bit of how Suriname is, how do you say it, with Christmas, in the, you know, the days going towards Christmas. So let me stop talking because I have a lot to film when I'm outside, and my memory is full already.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. I've got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up.
We are in the city. So let me show you guys how much it rained. Daddy and son.
Lately, I've been lying to myself. No, I need to get some help. Hoping you could save me, baby. Put our pictures on the shelf. Swore I'm over you, oh well, it's not that easy. Waking up in this place all alone. Staying up.
My phone for me, okay? Okay. Hey guys, today I am back and we are seeing giant houses of skyscrapers. It was a brother and I and my father were here. There you can see so much beautiful houses. Yeah, my name's Ray and you can see a calendar. See you guys later.
Hey loves, welcome back to another vlog. So today is the 24th of December. It's so crowded outside, but anyway, that's how it is. That's normally in the festive months or in December. It's always a little bit crowded on the streets. So I don't know what I'm going to vlog for you guys today, but I'm gonna try to do my best and vlog something so that I can end my Vlogmas properly, because I still have to edit a whole lot of videos and that I have to edit and upload it, and I'm so behind. I'm just so behind. I'm behind because I don't have the proper tools to edit. I do everything on my phone. And editing on your phone can be a little bit exhausted sometimes because the phone is small, it's little. But if you edit on the laptop, it's better, you know. It's the screen is a little bit bigger and everything. So basically, actually, I have to search for a laptop. So yeah, but we will see. We will do that, I think, next year. With next year, I mean 2025, right? We're going for the laptop because editing on the phone can be a little bit not annoying, but it can be a little bit difficult. So, and yes, I don't have a laptop because I do everything on my phone. So, but anyways, let me stop talking and see what I can film for you guys. I can film a little bit of Suriname so that you guys can see how we celebrate Christmas here in Suriname. Tomorrow I have like a Christmas dinner with the family. It starts at 12 o'clock. Okay, let me start talking. And let me start vlogging. And hopefully tonight I will be able to I want to do something. I want to upload at least 2 vlogs tonight.